welcome back to figuring out what the heck's going on with your website. More than likely, if you came across this video, you are trying to figure out how to get into your site content, given that you're installed some plugin and the plugin has made things go crazy. So the best way to get into disabling your plugins is to go in through FTP. If you already have your FTP login information, you can just go that route and just use your FTP client to log in and figure out how to navigate to this particular section of the site. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, this is the most graphical way I can show you, which is why I've gone this route. You're going to want to log into your CPanel and then click on File Manager. If you don't know what CPanel is, just type in your domain name and then /CPanel, CPANEL, and then it will more than likely give you a login, and that login is going to be your hosting credentials. So go dig out your hosting credentials and log in using that information, and it should take you to this screen. From here, click on File Manager, and that will pop up. Oh, it's going to look like this. All right, and then from here, you're going to want to click on the directory that your public HTML, but then the directory that you've installed WordPress into. For me, that's CDWP. From here, you're going to click on WP Content and then scroll down to Plugins. And then this is all the different plugins I have installed on Creation Depot. Well, what you're going to want to do is create a place for these to go that's going to basically break WordPress's connection to your plugins. So I usually type in 00 deactivate and then create new folder. And then I'm going to want to take all these guys, because I don't know which one of these is screwing up the site. Or if you do know, like you've just installed something and suddenly your site no longer works, then you know that, oh, it's that particular plugin. You can just grab that one plugin and drag that to the deactivate. But if you don't know, like if you're trying to troubleshoot somebody's site and you don't know what they did, you're going to want to drag them all in to deactivate. And then it's just going to be a matter of pulling one out, seeing if your site works, pulling the next one out, seeing if your site works, and then just keep doing that until the site breaks, and then that will help you dissect which one is actually the one breaking your site. We're just going to pretend Contact Form 7 never breaks any website. It's an awesome plugin, but just for the example, drag it in. You can see now that it's inside. And go back up one level. And then, okay, I'm done. I want to take it out, right? You want to take this, cut it. Darn, that didn't work. I'm gonna go to plugins down here, drag this back up into plugins. So see what I did? I put my mouse on top of it, I clicked it, and I dragged it up. There is a way to do this by actually clicking into it, but I just don't recall what it is offhand. So now that this folder is empty, and I can go ahead and delete. Yes, delete this one folder. And there you go. You don't want to leave empty folders on your server. It's just the site cleanliness thing. You don't want to create clutter because then that can interfere with you troubleshooting in the future. So that's all there is to it. Drag all your plugins that you might think might be giving you an issue into that, and then it should allow you to get back into WPAdmin. So that's where everything's located. That's how you troubleshoot and kind of figure things out. If you run into something where you're just lost and you need a little bit of extra guidance, like maybe your website ad person installed things in a funny way, or nested folders outside of where they should have been nested, give me a comment below, and I'll do the best I can to try to help you unearth where your plugins might be located. There's different installations, different things you can do to try to help make your site more secure, and in the process it can make it a lot harder to troubleshoot when there is a problem. So any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It does help me move up, and I'm trying to grow this to 10,000 views, so help me along. I appreciate it. All right, thank you very much and have a good one. Bye.